All right, part 2 of the video. Yeah, so sorry. Anyways, Mr. Olaf, I do not advise you to eat any of this food. Okay? I really don't. I don't think it's going to be a good idea. I really don't think it's going to be a good idea. Don't eat this food. Okay? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Don't eat it. Don't eat it. No, no, no. Don't eat this food. There might be weird stuff in it. Don't eat it. He's eating this food. Stop it. I'm going to try to wrestle it out of his food. Don't eat it. Ew, ew. Oh, ew, don't. Stop. Ew. Dude. Why'd you eat it? Ugh. Look at all this stuff that came out. Oh, gross. Oh. It's not funny. Look at this. Oh, yuck. Yuck. Ugh, gross. That is disgusting. All right, Mr. Olaf, I had enough of you. Say goodbye. Sayonara. Say goodbye to Mr. Olaf. Ugh. Ugh, this is gross. Like, seriously? Ugh. Man, that's like, don't eat foreign weird bugs, because who knows what's going to come out of them. Gross-a-rooney. That is so disgusting. Ugh. Anyhow. Oh, it stinks. Gross. All right. Well, all right. We're going to have to clean this up later. Yuck. Anywho. Gross, gross, gross. So, yeah. Anyway, that was Mr. Olaf. I hope you enjoyed him as always. I am throwing this in the garbage. No more bugs. That's gross and disgusting. We don't want to eat weird bugs. Let's put that over there in the trash. Ugh. Drink some more of my slurp juice. Oh. Are you guys kidding me? Do we? Another guest. Let's see who's going to show up today. Oh, and we've got Mickey. It's Mickey Mouse. Hey guys, how you doing? We got Mickey, but this is the Mickey Mouse from the video games, because I don't know if you guys can tell. Hey, look, he's got brown. He's a little brown. This is the Sega Mickey, and he's brown Mickey. Brown Mickey Mouse. All right. Say hello to Brown Mickey. Brown Mickey. Oh no! What? Get out of here! These guys are wrestling. Get out of here, guys. All right. No more messing around. Anywho, I want to say, you guys, I don't know, I didn't introduce you last time, but are you guys familiar? If you guys ever watched the show He-Man? This is He-Man and the Masters of the Universe. He is so strong. He's got a sword. He's got a shield. On the back, he's got his battle axe. And his trusted cat. Battle Cat takes care of him. This is He-Man. He-Man! Some say John Cena kind of looks like He-Man a little bit, the wrestler. But John Cena's trying to look like He-Man. He-Man's not trying to look like John Cena. So, say hello to He-Man. All right. Well, folks, I'm still recovering from getting sprayed by that pink goo. Grossy, grossy, gross. Oh, it stinks. Hopefully it doesn't stain, guys. Hopefully it doesn't stain. But, I had showed you guys too, Mothra, or Godzilla last time. And this time, are you familiar with Mothra? Look at her. She's like a big giant moth turned into a butterfly. That's Mothra. Mothra sometimes will battle Godzilla. So if you see these two guys duking it out, watch out. Godzilla versus Mothra. Watch, look, Godzilla's got he might do his fire breath and nail Mothra. She's got like these sonic waves, and it'll be like, wah, and it'll give him like a headache. You gotta watch out when Godzilla does the giant flame. She's gotta watch out. She doesn't want to get burned. She's gonna have to fly around it. All right, Godzilla versus Mothra. Uh-oh. Godzilla just won't stop roaring. Okie dokie. Well, it is time for Mr. Shoe to go. This is a little shorter interlude. I'm gonna jump into my car. You guys see my car? I got my new car, and it's time to take off. All right, guys. All right. And Mr. Shoe's gonna drive away. Peace out, guys. Remember, have a great summer. I'll miss you all. Some of you I'll see in summer school. Some of you I'll see next year. And have a great one. Stay safe. Check out my channel. I'll make some more videos as often as I can. And I miss you guys. You guys are great. Everyone I worked with was a great student, and I had a lot of fun with you guys. So I appreciate the kind comments and saying hi to me and working with you and getting to know all you kids. All right? So be cool and stay in school. And check out Mr. Shoe's channels. Hopefully I'm going to get some more books, some more exciting books. I got to get some new ones. I went through most of the new ones I got, so I'll get some more new ones and hopefully have some fun. And you'll be introduced to some new toys and some new characters of the collection, and hopefully no more bugs shooting weird, gross things out of them. Yuck! Don't eat bugs. They're gross. Bye.